Not.
Oh, we're here, Thomas.
Yay.
Here we are at the Barton Broad on the River Ant. I did promise my son Harrison that we would go fishing this weekend. I was not expecting a bit of snow this morning. Yeah, looking out the window, it looked a bit chilly, but we made it out and it's absolutely beautiful. It's very, very cold this morning, but let's see if we can catch anything.
Come on, buddy. There we go. There we go, he's on. Hi. Oh, careful now.
Going in, he slipped in there.
Right, put it on there.
Bit slip and slide.
Thomas, do you want my one stand?
Oh, fast.
Alright, time to get my reel out. So cold. Should we do points to whoever does get the biggest fish?
Where's the float?
Float.
Yeah.
What are you staying up with, Harrison? Can you do it with your cold hand?
Yeah, I got cold.
So we're here just on the bank and you can see the snow just there, and we're fishing, float fishing with some maggots. It's been pretty slow so far. No fish. It's very, very cold today, and I think the fish are hiding away, but we'll see how we get on. Gonna chuck some ground bait in, but it's probably going to attract all the swans. They're super hungry. Okay, let's get this ground bait in. Let's see if we can attract some fish. Get those fish circling. It'd be lovely just to catch at least one.
I've got the boulder. Come on. Oh, baby.
Oh, God, it's falling. Wait, I need to fix this ice in a minute.
Okay, it's getting dark now. We've been here 4 or 5 hours. Didn't catch a thing, but the boys had fun, and it started snowing again. So see you in the next one.